The F0E7 error code on your Maytag washer means the machine thinks there are clothes or an obstruction in the drum, especially during a clean cycle. This is a safety feature to prevent damage during high-speed spins. The washer's sensors detect movement inconsistent with an empty drum, triggering the error and pausing the cycle. Before diving into more complex solutions, try these quick fixes. These steps often clear temporary sensor glitches. First, unplug the washer for at least 1 minute to reset the system. Second, make sure the drum is completely empty. Third, ensure the door is securely closed and latched. Fourth, run a diagnostic cycle by pressing the Start-Pause button twice. A faulty door lock is a common cause of the F0E7 error, as it prevents the washer from properly sensing when the door is secure. Begin by inspecting the door latch for any visible damage or obstructions that could interfere with its operation. Next, test the lock by manually engaging it to ensure it clicks securely into place. This simple test can reveal if the mechanism is functioning properly or if it's loose and needs attention. If the latch appears loose, broken, or fails the manual test, replacing the door lock assembly is often necessary. This is a relatively inexpensive repair that many users can perform themselves with basic tools. Maytag washers use optical or motion sensors to detect drum contents. Over time, these sensors can become dirty or corroded, leading to false readings that trigger the F0E7 error. To fix this, first locate the sensors using your washer's service manual. Carefully clean them with a soft, dry cloth. For stubborn residue, use a cotton swab dampened with isopropyl alcohol. Finally, ensure the sensors are completely dry before reassembling. Inconsistent water pressure or debris in the water lines can trigger the F0E7 error. Low pressure can cause the washer to misinterpret the drum's contents. Check your water supply lines for kinks or blockages that could restrict water flow. Clean the inlet filters to remove any sediment or debris that might be blocking the water flow. Debris in the lines or filters can cause the washer to detect problems incorrectly, leading to the F0E7 error. Ensure your home's water pressure meets the washer's requirements to prevent misinterpretation of drum contents. Firmware updates from Whirlpool address software glitches in Maytag washers that cause false F0E7 errors by improving sensor accuracy. These updates recalibrate the washer's sensors to better detect actual issues rather than triggering unnecessary pauses. To apply updates, check the Maytag app on your smartphone or contact an authorized service center for your specific model. If the previous troubleshooting steps don't resolve the F0E7 error, the issue may lie with the control board. The control board acts as the washer's central processing unit, interpreting data from sensors and managing all operations. A faulty board can lead to incorrect sensor readings, triggering the error code. Replacing the control board is a more advanced repair that typically requires professional expertise to ensure proper installation and avoid further damage. To prevent future F0E7 errors, run monthly clean cycles with fresh tablets to minimize residue buildup that can trigger false detections. Consider using eco-friendly detergents to reduce sensor fouling, especially if you have hard water that can cause buildup and affect sensor accuracy. Newer Maytag models are trending towards AI-integrated sensors that can better differentiate between clothes and debris, reducing the likelihood of F0E7 errors. Regular maintenance can significantly extend the life of your washer and prevent most common errors.